11 plus 11 gives us 22. 9 times 22 equals 198. Drop down 198 and divide it by 198. This gives us 1. But this solution is wrong and this answer is not correct because according to the PEMDAS rules, our first step is to calculate what is inside the parentheses. Then next we evaluate the exponents. The next step is to solve the multiplication and the division components. Finally perform addition and subtraction. And all our operations will be performed from left to right. Okay, let's start our solution. In our problem we have this division and this multiplication. Also we have this parentheses for this multiplication. In mathematics, if a number is placed next to parentheses, this means multiplication, and we don't write the multiplication sign for conciseness. By following the PEMDAS rules, first we must do this parentheses, after that we do this division, and finally we do this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. So we will start with this parentheses. We have 11 plus 11 equals 22. So 198 divided by 9 times 22. Now we have this division and this multiplication. Let's take this division. 198 divided by 9 gives us 22 times 22 gives you 484. So this was our final answer to this problem.